In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users, staff accounts, and give workers access to your Shopify store. Whether you're expanding your team or simply need to delegate some tasks, giving others access to your Shopify store can streamline your operations and improve efficiency. And the good news is, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and make sure you can smoothly add new users to your Shopify admin. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll see a menu on the left side filled with options that allow you to manage different aspects of your store. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of this menu. Here, you'll find the Settings button, and we'll need to click on that to progress. It's important to familiarize yourself with the Settings section because it hosts many crucial features that you'll use to control and customize your store in various ways. Once you're in the Settings area, look over to the left panel again. You'll notice a number of subcategories aimed at specific configuration tasks. For our purposes today, we're interested in the Users section. Go ahead and click on Users to advance to the next step in this process. This particular section is where you can oversee all the different people who have access to your store. It's also where you'll manage permissions and organize the roles within your team structure. Having these managed correctly is key for a smooth operation. Now, let's move forward to adding a user. At the top right of the screen, you should see an option that says Add Users. It might be easy to overlook at first, but it's located conveniently to keep things simple when you need to expand your team. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to enter the details of the person you're inviting. This includes their name and email address, so have those handy. It's worth mentioning that entering their correct email address is vital, as they will receive an invitation to join your store through this email. They'll need to accept this initial invite to get started with accessing your Shopify store. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Shopify store. Remember, managing user access is not only about adding new team members, but also involves reviewing your permissions regularly to ensure everyone has the right level of access they need. This keeps your store secure and functioning smoothly. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store.